Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process of you get. Alright, so good day guys, and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process of you getting to install the CapCut Premium Pro version from start to finish. Okay, so this is the first thing you actually get from us. Okay, description of how to install this. This one is going to guide you on how to install the application. Here is just for you to make a review for us on Facebook. So this is the link where you are to download the application. What you have to do is to click on this link. This is a Google Drive link. So once you click on the link, you choose the actual email address, Gmail email address you want to use to open the drive. Okay, so I've actually picked this one. Then I click on OK. So once it actually opens up, what do I need to do? I have to click on this three lines button here. So once I click on it, it's going to bring up a list of options. What I have to do is what to click on download. Okay, so once I click on download, the application is well set, downloading on my phone. Okay, so make sure you have a good strong internet connectivity while trying to download this application. As you can see, it's actually heavy load. It's up to 313 megabytes as of the time of making this video. So now, assuming you've actually successfully downloaded it on your phone. Okay, so here is what you need to do. Okay, so now you might actually have a pre-existing CapCut application on your phone, maybe the one you downloaded from Play Store. Okay, so for you to try installing this application, you might actually encounter a couple of errors. Okay, if you're trying to install the application, it tells you that application not installed. Okay, another error message, it can actually tell you that this application is conflicting with an existing Cape Cod or maybe an existing application. The reason is because you have an already existing Cape Cod application which you've not uninstalled. So what you have to do for me is what you go to that actual Cape Cod application you have pre-existing. You click on it. That's you click and hold it. You then click on application info. Okay. So what you need to do here is you can do for stop at first, then go to the storage and cache. Click clear the cache, clear the storage. Okay, so once you've done this, the next thing you have to do is what you click on uninstall. Now when you're clicking on install, look at the options you get. It said retain data after deletion. What I normally use is delete application and data. Okay, so I'll just have to do what uninstall it. So now I've actually successfully uninstalled the application from my device. Now the next thing I need to do now is to disable what they call Google Play Protect. It's very, very important to disable that, because in the process of you trying to kind of install this application, you will encounter a couple of issues. Maybe the system telling you that you can't install the application, or maybe the application is harmful for your device. All those things are just Google trying to warn you that are you sure of the action you're trying to take. It's not as if the application is not safe. The application is 100% safe. Okay, so what you just need to do is what you click on this profile icon here, then click on Play Protect. As you can see, now my own is actually enabled. What you have to do is what click on this settings icon here. So once you get to the settings icon, you have to do what you toggle this Google Play Protect off. Okay, use your fingerprint or your pin, that's your phone pin, in order to toggle it off. As you can see, my own is now disabled. So after disabling it, you can now minimize out. Okay, now come to your files manager. Okay, this is my files manager. So I'm just trying to assume that I've successfully done what I've successfully downloaded the application and it's actually currently on my APKs. Okay, so what I need to do here now is to open the APK files session. As you can see, this is actually the application. Okay, so I now have to click on install. Okay, I just have to tap on it for it to start installing. So I'm actually get this security question. It said for your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown application from this source. You can change the settings. So what I have to do is what to click on settings. So once I click on settings, I have to enable file manager to be like for you to be able to install unknown applications. So I just have to toggle this on. So having toggled it on, I can now click on install. Okay. So what I just did now is that anytime I want to use File Manager to install any APK file, it's going to go through. It's not going to ask me the same question of are you sure of installing an unknown application from a different source? Okay. So I have to wait for the installation to complete. All right, so I've successfully installed the application. I can now go back. Okay, so you can see it says install. So having installed the application, I can now go back. Okay, now open the application. Okay, so you can now open the application. All right, so you just have to exercise patience for the application to load. All right, you agree and continue. So this pop-up, you just cancel it, ignore it and cancel. So what you just need to do, you can allow notification, you can decide to disable it, whichever way that works for you. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do is after you must have installed this application, you need to sign in. Okay, you need to sign in with your official CapCut account details. So if you don't have an account with CapCut, you need to go to their official website, that's capecut.com, and create an account. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to enable what they call business creators mode, so that you can be able to be able to go have the ability to use the pro features on this application. So what you just need to do is what you click on the me icon. That's after you must have created an account with CapCut. You are not going to use TikTok nor Google as an option to sign in. Okay, so preferably you use email. Okay, the email and password part. So what you just need to do is what you go to the official website. If you don't have an account, open an account with them, then you can come back here and do what to sign in. Okay, or you can use a previous or a pre-existing CapCut application to create an account. Okay, and down then come back and use this email part to sign in. Okay, so what I have to do is what to click on sign in with email. Okay, so I have an account with them already, so I'm going to sign in with my accounts. Okay, so after which I have to click on continue. All right, so currently, as you can see, I have been able to successfully do what sign in. Okay, so if you don't sign in, you keep getting like once you click on this me icon, you keep getting the notification that you need to sign in, and it's from this sign in part, from this part now. Okay, it's from this me part. Whenever you click on me, you see that sign in option, so you need to sign in. Okay, so once you've done that, you now have to click on this settings icon here, that bar. So once you click on it, you come down, you look for business creators mode, enable it. Okay, so once you enable it, you can now go back. Okay, it's very important you enable that. So once you've enabled that, you now know that all the whole features available for this application will be on. So let me try and go back and then open it back. You will have to do what? Okay, so this you can actually skip, then cancel this. Okay, so now it says it's on business creators mode. You can see all the whole features available currently. Okay, so that is just it about how to install this application. In case you actually encounter any issues, please try to message us so that we'll get to enlighten you more on how to go about it. But make sure after you must have installed this application, go back to your Google Play Store and re-enable the Google Play Protect you disabled initially. It's very important, okay, because it helps you to make sure you install applications that are well, good, and healthy enough for your phone. Okay, but this one is 100% okay. Okay, so this parts, you're currently on the pro features. You can actually do your edits, new project, and so many lots of them. So that's just it. Thank you, and have a great day.